Thank you for life. Morning, we're not going with our afternoon rather. Now we waste no time. So in this video, we are going river. We're going to the river with Richard Brown and team. All of the actors them and all. I don't know why they are going to the river. Oh, I hear curious say something about them are going to shoot movies, so we can probably get some behind the scenes. So yep, we are going to the river. I take you with me. Leave a like on the video. Long time subscribers. If it's your first time over here, definitely leave a like. And check out previous content so you can understand what happens over here. You'll be entertained. So first time over here, subscribe. Long time subscribers, please be reminded to like the video. And yeah, how we go river. Find out where Richard Brown and Curious and the whole team are going to fall. I know I say Benta River I did say first, but with the Roaring River, I might go Benta just the same because I'm here curious I say I'm not really into the crowd. See him over that side there. So Brown, come on go on out of so they talk to the people and pick and fast.
Yeah, Roaring River. I try to get it together with their drive and one bag of something. So with the Roaring River, for those who don't know where they want place, then Roaring River, it is one of those special places in Westmoreland where you can go and swim, can enjoy the sightseeing, you see me? So we are shooting a movie, so like the Roaring River piece side, you see it?
So we are here with normal boss, you know, Alton that.
One normal. Ready? One normal. Jamaica man. One normal. Where you guys from?
Boston, Massachusetts.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Worcester, 508.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. No,
Get it,
you know, there with Jamaica movie star Richard Brown. Jamaica Entertainment. We shoot movies here, right? Actors. You can check it out on YouTube.
What is the name?
Richard Brown film.
Curious there, Richie wanna just say a while ago. Antoinette, who is co-producer, and my friend Natasha. So we'll look around the place. Hi Natasha.
Hi.
So Candy then that travel with you as well, but them then on a different vehicle. Look like them probably lost. You know, we don't know what going on there. So that's how we are doing right now. We are waiting for Candy them. So in the meantime, we just look for people that jump off a bridge and Alright, next stop, Benta, or behind the scenes.
Laundromat. So we do it in Jamaica.
Why you never care that?
Yo, fire I say can bad one, can close.
Why you care yours?
So how many is the car?
We have a shake out.
No, who back to the car? Man, that's a cash out sheet. Can bad one and can sheet. And can bad one and can sheet. Man say can close. You know what can close? What now? What? Yeah. Just check out the bunch and become a ready grab one. You don't know what come. Natasha can be. River. I love Yo, can they come tell you something about pregnant? Now there is one box of pregnant for the candidate. Come in. No man, don't close the boat. We don't close there for what? Richie has some clothes in the back, in the back. Look some more clothes. Popeye, look in the trunk. Popeye, look in the trunk. You see? I told time ago.
I make you not go jump off and let people alone.
Can you come get yourself to get out there and waste time now?
So, Mr. Brown, what are they saying now?
You want to go and see my hotel, can't you see a river and go? You carry river attire. Can you insist say you want to go in the water in a long pants, jeans pants? Come!
So, yeah guys, we're still the Rowan River. As you can see the crew there over that side. I'm going to try to get ready to shoot the scenes. I don't know how them are going to deal with the sounds from the river. So I realize the clips that are close to the river and have whole heap on it. So I don't know how them are going to deal with that. But they're over there preparing for the scene. When them start shoot, I go back over there, get some clips so I can see everything. But right now what I'm going is some attire business. I'm going to try to get props together. I don't know, something about clothes and what I look for, somebody call me like that, so I kind of lose track of myself. So yeah, when them start shoot again, we get the video. So yeah.
You come here and jump candy, you start shooting candy. Daddy, how you see me from there, so? How you see me from there, so? A different sit me and laugh over.
Wash, beard, and go back home. That bike I want, so not to be too.
That's the power wheelie wall. And you want to go further, they go Joan. We have fish.
Yeah, what?
I'm a swimmer.
Okay.
You have fish? Swim around. I'm telling you.
I love how my shirt look fine, you see. Now watch that, a cologne. That no frowns in a bad color, cologne. Stain!
Stop telling you video. Just go walk coming like you catch water. Cheers, I don't fuck.
I'm sure for water they give me a one.
I'm telling you, fuck.
Eh? You don't got none. Right, Bob?
Ready?
Yo! Get up, let us come. Come. Let us run.
Candy, your belly deep, your bad nose, your belly must be. You get 2 penny out of the candy, you're going to get up to it. You're a young girl. I don't know if you're going to a young girl. I have the woman. Candy, find one spot and stuff. You want some weed? You want weed? You want weed? Weed. Come on. Guys, take off the pants, can you have pants too? You're going to give you a massive show.
Yeah, the switch around then the fire.
The way I do it, Alton gone for it. He said gone for it.
So what's not supposed to happen?
I'll take off the clothes and take off the one of them. You don't want to take off. Take off the clothes then. You don't put on the shorts and the candy. Herring. Who does that? You start night and make it done. That's why it's ready to go rabbit by the river. Put on what they chain that's up on the river. Put on the chain everything. Pan the river kind of one then last. Strip off everything. Which shot? Come here, man. What's that? Good girl. You see a big belly? At your breed, make a big belly. If anyone want big belly, you shouldn't breed. Backside, you have 2 daughters. Nothing wrong with the belly if you have stretch mark on the girl. Good. Represent. Lift up. Represent the motherhood and not play with me. Yes, a turn. Represent the motherhood and not spoil me. Alright now. Candy. Put an Alton shot.
Alton shot, good.
I see him put them on shots.
It's good and front.
Alright, Candy, go ahead.
This.
What's that? Put on it then, because dirty you know. What's that on the then?
You put on.
Alright, go ahead. Yeah. We'll go bent to go swim. We'll go bent to go swim, man. I can't drain the energy to blood clot by the time it does it. No, can't get one man because the time best shoe and now you get one man. Rough.
Left me alone.
Eh? No, take off them. Can't do that way there. First thing, you have to be doing. No! What you do? We not to know how we go shoot them because you can't shoot. You have to too long to this in them. So by the time we done discuss what to do, we have to remember how we go.
Dandy, it's simple. This is the one, you take off your chain, your earring, put on one shorts, real Jamaican style. Come with your bath pan, ready you come to one.
You can't come in a long chain, herring, pretty, what you call it, what you have on the name?
Pumbas. Pumbas.
Pretty, this well go out. Who do that? Take a party out up on the river.
Alright, go. Let's take them out. Remember, I said we start shooting tonight, so maybe I take them out.
To keep the concept, yeah, I try to spoil the day, but I not make a spoil. Come tell us what we go to do now. Come on. Nah, man, yes, come on, because it's not to start, because you have pushed it to the limit. You are trying to mash up the movie scene. I'm done spend my money. Come now, man. But okay, where him come put tonight and done? What? We're going to do it now.
Thank you.
And it's stone them and juke me. Come on. It's stone them and juke right now.
That's super and come on, can
Let me see how you go to now. Up and left, you don't come. Good job. One put one dust and one dust and two. So two girls run again. You don't come. Take off the jeans and put them dust up. But then dip on the water. Everything's on the body wash and gone. What did they clean? What did they wash first then? You come from this. But here this one come down, the body gone. They stain everything gone. You might go to the same man. Because you know what? But you know, I'm going to come and dip on the water. You might not take the pants out on the water with the panty alone. Also the day. Sometimes man say you got to take the money. You take one of them, you are free, come and have coffee here. Close to them, close to them. Good on. Well, white, give me the white shirt there. Pass the white shirt there, give me for throwing in a washing. Troy. What? No, nobody else. Come down, watch it. Hold on, funny. But you have to have some more everybody. You can't just eat them. They will catch them. But today I can hold on, funny, and see the same. You could have said that to you.
If you watch out, you can't go in. I'm saying nothing wrong with the water. What's going on?
Huh? When I said, can I water? I river water, not the water. What good girl, I mean? What up a giant, my girl? What up a giant? No, what up a giant, man? Because, you know? Then you just miss what I mean, roll. One, two, good girl.
Just wash your out, man.
Now, watch it. I'm going to come shoot, but I enjoy yourself. I'm back to the ribbon. Dog, dirty dog. What we want? No, go yet. Don't use. Come here. No, hold on. They're going to get funny river. Wow! Woogie!
You just see you're a I'm back to this.
Come right. Hey!
Yes, dog!
Me! Master Babe! No, me love me 3 hours.
Ready?
Come, take a chance some more. Put the
So yeah, people, that has been it. Well, by the time I reach this point of the video, it's already edited. So my hope is that I edited the entire video so you guys were somewhat entertained. But me personally here, because I've been here so many times, yeah, you know, but shooting and filming and having the camera is always fun for me. But yeah, hope I could have entertained, you know, somewhat, and hope the whole thing was entertaining. But big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, like the video, subscribe if you're your first time over here, and Laura will see you now very, very soon. What time are they now? Evening. Evening people, big up on yourself and welcome back to the channel. As you come, leave a like on the video and subscribe for your first time. So all the Richard Brown films and movie lovers people with their I think I've been to River same way. I don't even call this one behind the scenes, you know. We're just there at the river and I'm bringing her along with me. So we have Curious up there, so Richard, Tori, two other young ladies. We're gonna talk to these people up there, so. And then we go down on the riverside. Sabron.
Yeah.
Can I have a minute?
Oh.
Come, talk to you now. What go on?
As always, it could become repetitive. What's the word?
Hello.
That word is very
Hi.
tongue-twisting.
Yes,
That word is very complicated. Alright, so yeah. After a while, it's come like the same thing I do over and over in terms of speeches, but we always do a brand new movie, so this is nothing different. Just do a brand new movie. That one I can have a little different concept where I try to highlight Jamaica in all facets. From the negative side to the positive side, plus the beauty.
Zaza.
Yeah.
How hold this over here, so? Burn it down flat. What you have to say to the people, man, I'm a general?
Just stay tuned,
Just stay tuned.
Talk to normal boss. One normal man.
Normal boss.
Normal.
Alright, my general. And good evening. We're not properly introduced.
Hi, my name is Shawang.
Shawang?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
Can I play with you?
No, should we say it's Shawang?
She's Chinese?
My mother was an Indian and my father was a Chinese.
Alright, so hold on, I'm not cutting no short shot. But yeah, the move you're doing some bit of acting, right? So you know nothing about the role you do, you can't tell about it?
No.
So as a matter of fact, how you and Richard Brown are curious? How the link up going? What happened?
It's through her.
Hi, my name is Ackeen.
I'm Amber.
And remember. So how the link up going?
You know, we met a year ago, a few months before my birthday. We did a music video together, and then he liked my acting, he liked my skills, you know. He said, listen, you're...
So you know what kind of role you play?
Yes,
Tell me about that now.
I'm the boss.
You're the boss? What kind of business you run?
I'm a pimper.
And may I assume, say, beautiful Miss here is one of the
That's my gals.
Jarastafari. Alright, we're going down the river, you know.
Okay.
Normal boss, big up yourself. Big up on yourself, Spoonie. So, yeah, people, that's that for up that side. And yeah, we have a public report there with me too. I'll chat to him. I'll chat to recording artist, Mr. Public Report. Oi, sir. What going?
Yeah, you know.
What happened? Yeah, I can move over there though.
River vibes, you know what I mean?
River vibes.
Update to the public report.
Hold on, man. Me say if I act there, actor.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, Zine. What kind of role you play?
No, so not even know, but we have to work with it.
I miss.
See that?
Hello.
How you so busy?
We haven't got another boss.
Yeah, we're not done with it, man. Tell you what I'm going.
So you see I'm going to give you.
Step on them ball.
Shoot.
Heartless and cold.
Heartless and cold.
Story.
So, public reporter, you say you act today?
Yeah, man, actually going today, you know what I mean? New thing, new vibes. Check it out, you know what I mean? Because it go nice. Right?
Oh, Zine.
Right?
Right.
Oh, Jano. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not record that. No.
Record it.
No. Come tell me about your movie where you act.
Well, thank you all for subscribing and watching the movie with me. I love you all. I've been seeing the comments.
So see people now ask me for interview or how long. She not even want to interview. See them gone. Mr. Brown there same way. So just be a creatives out here.
You like grab up slow though.
Out of Benta River, be a creative. So, me make when we get. Am I going to scene? So, may I get more and moving? No, right now, no. Camera girl. I might have to cut it. My problem I have to cut the video now. Yeah, probably make some money. It's not pick up after that. More than catch behind this thing. So, I'm not gonna get some nice video. I don't know, but something not gonna happen to the video.
No, eh? I see your boy, see your girlfriend here, look. Eh? Your girlfriend, hold on.
Is that when the ending I move with curious?
So, you record?
Boyfriend from?
Hold on. Where you get boyfriend from?
I don't understand, I was just sold.
So they're not ready yet, so we gotta get some more behind the scene.
You understand what I want?
Or is he my boyfriend? Which one?
No, well, I'm your man. I'm your man. You sell it to Juta win you.
So you know that
Then
I'm
Juta control you. And then
And
now
then
you
you
meet
sell
him
me,
on the
so me not
beach.
no man.
You meet him on the beach now. Yeah, so at that time now you him start move up on the board. And he fall in love with you.
Okay.
Yeah, he fall in love.
Meeting is what kind of
They
meeting?
fall in love too?
Well, she on the beach at us, you know.
Hustle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so like he come and he get to a little, he just do a little business and
Budget
fall in
meeting,
love.
a budget meeting.
Budget meeting.
Yeah, financial, you know what I mean?
Do a little budget meeting and fall
Read
in love.
about me in a cleaner, you know what I mean? I'll be there.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Gas fights. I'll be there.
It's a normal nigger situation.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Rent a jet today. Rent a jet. Make sure you pay.
Okay, rent a jet.
Yeah, man,
You want to rent a
Jet.
No, the thing when you say rent a jet, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
What?
So, but I mean up on the beach, I said,
But they normally person up on the beach.
yeah.
You have the dread and my rent. Oh, okay. That's the word.
Yeah.
Dreadlocks don't live in a
You
tenement.
want buy dread. You want buy dread. Alright.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
What do you mean, Jota?
Curious. Teacher. She's young.
Tell her it's hurry in kind of like
How the
done.
vibes, how the vibes, how the vibes. How is the vibes?
That's a lighter auto.
So the river over that side, we don't get a chance to go over there as yet, but definitely I'll get some shots over there. But it look nice and tranquil.
Yeah, man, so make sure.
You know, can't keep on hearing curious. You know, you can't take it off in a movie.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't take it off in a movie.
You can
You
keep
know,
on
like
the
you
ring,
see
but
girl
half broken.
Yeah, broken.
Yes, so it's still out. Yeah.
You already know Alton? Let's up, welcome, you know, there. We have Venture River.
Yeah.
And we are showed a new movie named Sweet Jamaica, where we are going round Jamaica with a bag of different people. Virus, public report, live and in charge, a bag of people have to run and
Alright. They're not ready. So we're gonna look long at the river. They're not ready. Alright, some people down there, so they feel like we invade them privacy, so nah go down. But don't basically see river, that's not true. Basically see. Bombastic, fantastic, really fantastic.
When the smoke clears and the battle has been won, choo, oh Lord has
Don't play.
Look. Do you see what I see?
Yo, you may say. You may say the Ackeen Lawrence. I may say a Jutta rhyme. I may represent it for Ackeen Lawrence. Star of a shine with a decent punchline. Heidi, the son of a different Messiah, thought I told you that Ackeen Lawrence is lively, step aside. Heidi, I may sing Contangaros like how the killer cross. Fix up the place when Ackeen them a pass. Bang bang fi bust when you hear the boom blast. Boy run under with them figure mass. Bang, enough for them violate. What's the cause? Bad man catch them in at the bar when them a floss. Bang bang bang, mash buckle on the glass. Me Contangaros, Ackeen them Contangaros like how the killer angry. Lion paw not spanky. Any boy violate this order. Excuse me. Excuse me. Boy, I always...
Ungla Jamaiwood City, anywhere which part it go. Jutta rhyme that people.
Ready, ready.
Oh, really? Them all can't.
Who else gets you videos like these men? Them some of the interview you. First question, what is your name?
You can't interview me, must play friend.
What is your name?
Tara.
So there, we never say how long you want interview, so ask her name, interview done. Tara. Yeah, big up on yourself. I don't know how much more video footage I can get because I'm going to start shooting now. And we only have 2 hands, so later.